Getting ready to do a little pumpkin carving.
Time to do a little pumpkin carving, Camp 18. Took the end right off of that thing. Like butter.
Want to chop it again?
Yes. Camp 18 pumpkin carving, take 2. Oh, that's a clean cut.
Oh, that thing smells awful.
It sure does. One more shot. Camp 18 pumpkin carving, take 3. I don't think we want to eat this thing, do we?
Probably not.
The Boilermaker, Model 3475, a Les George design. The Boilermaker measures 7.6 inches in overall length and weighs 4.4 ounces. To open, it utilizes a flipper tab featuring SpeedSafe assisted opening. The handle features stainless steel with a brown PVD coating and stonewash finish. The back spacer is glass-filled nylon. The blade is made of 8CR13 MOV steel with a brown PVD coating. It has a single-position deep carry pocket clip. To keep the blade securely open, it utilizes a frame lock. The front handle scale has milled windows that reduce weight and add to the clean, modern design of the knife.
The M16 14 SFG designed by Kit Carson has a high carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The 3.875-inch dual grind blade has a Tonto tip which is excellent for penetration and exclusive patented VEF serrations which offer exceptional cutting of fibrous materials. The G10 handles form an open build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a 4-position clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The Special Forces G10 models have been specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.